Making money on Pinterest involves leveraging the platform's visual discovery features and engaged user base. Here are several ways to monetize your presence on Pinterest. Create compelling pins. Design visually appealing pins that capture attention and encourage engagement. Use high-quality images, catchy titles, and informative descriptions to attract clicks and drive traffic. Grow your audience. Build a following on Pinterest by regularly sharing high-quality content, engaging with other users, and optimizing your profile for discovery. Join affiliate programs. Partner with affiliate networks or individual brands to promote products and services relevant to your audience. Share affiliate links in your pins and earn a commission for each sale or conversion generated through your referral. Sell products. If you have your products or run an e-commerce business, showcase your products on Pinterest. Create shoppable pins that allow users to purchase products directly from the platform. Offer services. If you offer services such as graphic design, photography, or consulting, use Pinterest to showcase your portfolio and attract clients. Create informative pins that demonstrate your expertise and drive inquiries. Monetize content. If you have a blog or website, drive traffic from Pinterest to your site and monetize it through advertising, sponsored content, or selling digital products.